KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, March 11th. I'm James Spann. Got a massive rain and storms pushing in from the west. Things look pretty tame so far with that. But the weather over the weekend looking pretty good. We stay mild, except Friday, which will be a cooler day. Very active pattern, so let's dive in and talk about it. There's the upper air look across the country. Again, got a wavy flow. Shortwave producing an MCS today, moving into the state. There's the visible satellite view. And for the northern part of the state, it's cloudy for the most part, although South Alabama, partly sunny and mild. And there's the good old MCS, mesoscale convective system. What we have talked about since this morning, that is now into northwest Alabama. And so far, it's really behaving. Just basically a big rain mass with a few embedded thunderstorms in there. And I'd say odds of severe weather are really looking fairly low at this point, although the air is somewhat unstable. Instability values in excess of 500 joules per kilogram, but the dynamic forcing is not especially impressive with this. But still, we'll watch that through the evening hours. Temperatures are mostly in the 65 to 70 degree range across the state. That was at 1:30. A bit cooler up north, Louisville 51. And we're going to see a cool day Friday. We're going to have a quick intrusion of cooler air, but that will not last long. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Flash flood watches for parts of the Southeast U.S., including Nevada, California, Arizona, a winter storm watch for parts of Montana, and here the counties in the shades of pink, that is a severe thunderstorm watch until 7 o'clock tonight for parts of West Alabama, East Mississippi, but again, the overall threat seemingly is pretty low at this point. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. Got a risk of severe storms across the deep south. Standard slight risk for parts of West Alabama, Mississippi, where that severe thunderstorm watch is currently in effect. But again, based on radar trends, it just doesn't look like it's going to be much of a problem. Now, tomorrow could be a much more active day north of Alabama. Got a risk of severe storms from northeastern Texas up into parts of Tennessee and Kentucky. There might be a few tornadic storms in there tomorrow. Again, not in Alabama, but north of here in that slight risk area. There is a marginal risk over about the northern third of Alabama for tomorrow, and that's mainly for tomorrow night for some storms that will be drifting in here from the north in advance of a surface front, but they should be weakening at that point. And then on day 3, which is Friday, got a marginal risk of severe storms over parts of Texas. Alabama should be cool and stable, although we'll see some light rain at times. Rain for the next 7 days, heavier totals over Arkansas and Tennessee, and a very tight gradient for Alabama. Rain amounts up in the Tennessee Valley around 2.5 inches. Birmingham only about 1/2 inch, and basically little at all for the southern part of Alabama. The Gulf Coast looks dry for the next 7 days. Great news for the spring break fans headed down that way. So let's look at modeling. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Big upper low south of Los Angeles, a zonal flow, and I think the day mostly dry. A mixture of clouds and sunshine will be up in the middle 70s. And storms north of the state. Kentucky, Tennessee, they could be strong, drifting down into the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama tomorrow night. But again, I really do think the bulk of the day tomorrow will be dry. Now, Friday, the models are now agreeing that cooler air will dip in here for one day on this day, Friday. Temperatures will probably fall slowly or at least hold steady, and we'll have a cloudy day with some light rain at times. This is the high-res NAM showing temperatures at 4 o'clock on Friday afternoon, only in the upper 50s and low 60s over the northern half of the state. But then on Saturday, the front moves up as a warm front. It backs up and goes the other way, so we go back into a mild pattern. The high Saturday around 70, and really a mostly dry day. Partly sunny, only an outside chance of a shower. Better chance over the Tennessee Valley, even there, probably not much rain. Sunday, same thing, cloudy at times. Just a few widely scattered showers. Don't think we'll see that much. The high will be around 70. Monday, cloudy, scattered showers. Same thing Tuesday. And a week from today, Wednesday the 18th, big trough in the west, ridge in the east, and again, mild with a chance of showers. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 21st, troughing still west of the state, and again, that looks mild, and again, a chance of showers. But I don't see any big severe weather signals or major flooding issues here for the next 7 to 10 days the way it looks now. Here's the rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean, a little over 3 inches. Temperatures now, Friday's that cool day. That high of 68 might come during the pre-dawn hours. Again, during the day, I think we'll be in the upper 50s and low 60s. Otherwise, very mild, highs in the 70s. And the CPC outlook through the 24th continues to show cold weather for the west and relatively mild weather for the east. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog, the next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.